In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the grill mounting bracket on this Ford Escape. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this cover. Just use a trim tool, take the push pins out. And take these push pins out as well. And grab this panel and just flip it upside down out of the way. We're going to remove these bolts. Use a 10mm socket. Using a 10mm socket, take these bolts out. There's one on each side. And we'll lift this up, grab the bracket, slide it back. It'll just tip right out. There is a push pin we have to remove on both sides. Just using a trim tool. Pop those push pins out. There we go. There's the bracket. And we're going to swap these J-clips over. Just use a screwdriver, a straight blade screwdriver. Get underneath here. Pry this up. Slide it off. We're going to slide it onto the new one. Do the same for the other ones. Now take the bracket, slide it in place. We're just going to take those push pins and push those in. Right there, and right there. And you can tip it down. Pull the grill out a little bit. Get everything to line up. Looks good. It's lined up there. And put these screws in. Tighten these down. The same on the other side. And take the bolts up top, get these all started. Now we'll tighten those down. slide this cover over, line that up, and take all the push pins, get those started, and push them down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.